Hi everyone, this is Bramble, and today I want to elaborate on the personal style worksheet that I created and talked about in one of my previous videos. And hopefully, with you applying what I describe in that worksheet, you'll be more confident and feel overall whether you want to feel more powerful or more attractive or whatever you want to bring into your life, that will happen for you. So let's get started. So here is my worksheet. Some key elements for me are the light and dark, which I consider it my facial features, where it's a bit lighter and more playful looking, but pairing it with a darker aesthetic. And then also going with order and chaos. This comes through when I pair less structured items with more structured clothing pieces. And then how I'm going to implement the trickster archetype. To me, the trickster archetype is I am not what I seem, and it will conflict with my clothing choices based on my own personality and my own abilities and capabilities. So these were some of the key takeaways that I took away from analyzing my outfits, and overall what I want to go for is something that makes me feel powerful but seductive as well. With my analysis, I wear mostly athletic clothing, so my athletic clothing needs an upgrade. So here are some of my choices. So here are the colors that I'm choosing, which is the darker colors from the Deep Autumn palette. And they have either some cutouts or some patterns that feel seductive and powerful. Now for actual going out outfits, I do like to be a little bit more formal. So these are some of my choices, things that had high shine or velvet, something that was more form-fitting. So I definitely chose corsets or having some sort of gathers. And I found this website called Disturbia, which had a lot of more interesting outfits that I definitely gravitated towards. Lastly is accessories. For me to implement these specific things that I wanted to portray my personality with is through accessories. So my witchcraft, that more deadly aspects of my own persona needs to come through in smaller little delicate pieces, and these were some of the accessories that I chose. Now here's a recent outfit where I take inspiration from the worksheet. So I'm wearing a lace corset, black kick flare style pants with a snake print pointed flat and a black style kimono, and with that it definitely brings in the alluring vibe. It's very feminine, but it also gives a bit of edge and kind of that witchiness that I am going for. And now here's an athletic look. I think the top works very well. The V-neck is very seductive and the colors are fine, but I would think the bottom should be one color or something that's a little bit more seductive and less playful looking with its sectioning, and not have the lighter color at the bottom, so it'd be a little bit more seductive. Overall, you can see that it's not bad. It's just not what the vibe I'm particularly going for. I think it's just a little bit more playful and sweet versus the seductive edginess that I'm going for. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this helps you guys on your fashion journey. See you next time. Bye.